Hello everyone, welcome to Foos Cooking. Today I'll be making a bread pizza sandwich. It's a very easy to make sandwich. Those who are new to my channel and those who haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe now and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on the recipes posted every day. Now let's begin. For making bread pizza sandwich, you'll need bread, some chopped vegetables like capsicum, onion, tomatoes, mushrooms, green chilies and garlic. In a hot pan, add butter. Once it has melted, add in garlic, 1 tablespoon of garlic. Saute for around 30 seconds on a medium flame. Now add in green chilies. I've added 2 green chilies. If you like it spicy, you can add more. Now to this, add an onion, 1 chopped onion. I've taken 1 medium-sized onion. Saute it. Now add in tomatoes, 1 chopped tomato. Saute it till it becomes a little bit mushy. Now to this, add in mushrooms. I've used the fresh button mushrooms. You can use the tinned as well, but fresh gives in good flavors. Now last, you need to add the capsicum. 1 small capsicum, that's half cup of capsicum. Saute it for around 2 minutes. Now to this, add in oregano, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, mix well and cook for 2 minutes. And now your stuffing for the pizza sandwich is ready. Now take 4 slices of bread and put the stuffing evenly. Once you've put the stuffing evenly, you'll need to put the mozzarella cheese. I've used the shredded mozzarella cheese. Spread them evenly. Now you need to cover it with the other slice of bread. Give it a slight press before you keep them on a hot pan. I'll be making these sandwiches on a hot pan. You can use a toaster as well. Just give it a press and let it become golden on both sides. Turn it. You can feel the crispness outside. Both the sides have become golden brown in color and slightly crispy on the both sides. Now your yummy spicy cheesy bread pizza sandwich is ready. You can enjoy it as an evening snack. Hope you try out my recipes and post your feedbacks in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel and those who haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe now and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on the recipes posted every day. Do come back for more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching.